So one of the more common ways of adding an image gallery to an article is to add it directly to the article instead of creating the gallery and then embedding it. Obviously, if you just want one image and then that image to open up the gallery, then an embedded gallery is the best way, because one image displays, somebody clicks it, it opens up the gallery, as we did in the previous video tutorial. So what we're going to do here is actually embed a gallery directly into an article. So if I open up the creations article, you'll see here we have some HTML code. You won't see this because you'll have an editor turned on, and then we have 4 galleries added at the bottom. But I want to add a gallery directly to the page, so I'll just click on the image gallery tab, create a new gallery or edit an existing one. As there's no gallery for this article, it's asking us to create a new one, so that's exactly what we're going to do. And I click add images, and just as we did when we were creating the galleries, we highlight the images in one window in Windows Explorer and drag them across. You can do them individually, but of course that takes longer. It's easier to just bulk upload. And again, exactly the same. We can add a title for each image and a description for each image. So if I click save, that's saved, close the gallery, and then click save and close. So now if I click on the creations page on the website, refresh that, not only do we have the 4 galleries below that I'm going to align later, we actually have one gallery embedded, and people can open up any image and jump straight into the gallery at that image. Nice and quick, easy, and of course easy to maintain. If I go back into the article now and click on creations to open it up, go to image gallery, and you'll see that there's a box at the bottom here to delete the gallery. If I click save and close, then go back to the web page and refresh the page, you'll see that gallery now has disappeared. Hope that helps, and if you have any questions, just get in touch.